we're here for the ALS Challenge, the Ice Bucket Challenge. I want to thank Joe Barone over at Boca West for nominating us, and Ginger Alfano over at St. Andrews for nominating us. Boy, we're real happy about this. So,
thanks, guys.
All right, folks.
I'm afraid of what's happening next.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Wait, you guys say who
We're going to nominate Broken Sound's Food and Beverage Department. Next.
All right.
All right, let the fun begin.
Okay. All right,
Oh, God.
Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go!
That's the last time I'll let you guys play. That was fun. All right, we got to have a second round, aren't we?